right? What wear items does a Kawasaki have? Impeller, because there's no wear ring. There's no plastic wear ring. Your belt, supercharger belts go bad. They do. How often? Not often. Not often, but they do. And if you find that you're kicking belts, you might have water intrusion in the hull because the bottom pulley is so close to the very bottom of the bilge that if you have water in the bilge, you're going to have belt slippage. Greg and I actually had that because Einstein here forgot to put the freaking drain plugs in. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot to put the drain plugs in on the freaking Ultra. And we were slipping the belt. We're like, this thing sucks out of the hull. Man, it's surging. What the hell? And I go, hey, I think I left the drain plugs out. And he's like, what? And we jumped in and put the drain plugs in, rode it around, whoop, out of the hole. We're like, okay, it accelerates a lot better now. It's not surging. The Mensa member over here left the freaking drain plugs out. But yeah, you're going to have to check your belt. Make sure your belts are good. Your fuel mileage is going to blow. Your fuel mileage sucks on these things. Because, again, you have a ton of draft. You're dragging a boat through the water. Okay? You just saw it. So your fuel mileage sucks. Your impeller is a wear item. Because, thankfully, you don't have to fight a Kawasaki impeller like you do a Yamaha one. Have you guys tried to change an impeller on a Yamaha? I broke a bench vise trying to knock one of those loose. I'm not joking. Broke a bench vise. Didn't break the bench. I broke the vise. Unreal. So again, I look at the list of like things I love and things I hate or things I want, whatever my priority list is. And the Cowie's checking them all off. And I'll tell you what, Greg's girlfriend, Greg Gaddis, he had his girlfriend drive. We got hours of footage of her driving. She's like, I absolutely love this ski. My wife's like, I totally prefer Cowies. Why? They ride better. Okay, great. She hates Sea-Doos. I'm like, wow, really? She goes, absolutely. Totally hate them. I thought that was really funny. So anyway, the exhaust filter. Yeah, but I haven't seen a lot of those elements fail. And it's not necessarily a wear item. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.